Hi guys, so today we are making some tuna vegetable salad and these are my ingredients. So firstly I have my veggies, so I'm using some fresh carrots, cucumber, lettuce, red onions, black pepper, raisin, my Brunswick Thai chili, spicy tuna, I'm using some sweet corn and my dressing that I bought from Price Smart. Alright, to make the process easier, I purchased this vegetable cutter on Amazon. The link to it is in my Amazon storefront. So I am going to use this to cut my vegetables. So I'm just gonna apply and use it to grate and get some nice julienne strips. So this is my finished julienne carrots, my little strips of carrots. And what I realized is that the vegetable chopper made this process so easy. Alright, so just to give me a nice strips of carrots, I'm just going to add these to my mixing bowl. Then I'm going to proceed to slice my cucumber, but I'm going to change the attachment part to the slicing cutter. So I'm just going to quickly rinse out my vegetable basket, and then I'm going to proceed by attaching my slicing attachment, and then I'm going to slice my cucumbers in a back and forth motion so that they are sliced properly. So I attached this attachment, but then when I proceeded to slice in the cucumber people, it wasn't giving. The cucumbers were slicing a bit too thin for me, so I proceeded to change the attachment. So I add the next attachment because I was like, no, I don't want the cucumbers to be sliced this thin. And they weren't giving me a nice slice, so I had to change the attachment. So now that I am finished with changing the attachment to the next one, I am just going to slice all my cucumbers and add them to my mixing bowl. So now I'm just showing you guys the different attachment that um came with the vegetable chopper. There are several different ones, and as I said before, the link to this is in my Amazon storefront. If you want to buy it, you can just click the link, click on kitchen items, and you will see, I think I placed two different type of vegetable chopper in there if one is not available. So back to regular programming. So I add my carrots to my mixing bowl, then I'm going to add my cucumber, following my lettuce. And to give it a little aesthetic look, I am adding them in section. Now I'm going to add my red onions. I'm also going to add my sweet corn. Now, if you have other veggies that you wish to use, you can add them in as well. It's not limited to only these vegetables. Alright, so I'm going to add some raisins, and I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper, and along with adding my tuna flakes, which is a spicy Thai chili tuna. And the last and final ingredient will be my zesty Italian dressing that you can also get that from Price Smart. So after adding all these ingredients, I am going to use a tongue to just combine everything, to give it a nice look. So I realized the tongue wasn't working, so I just draw from my wooden spoon and then I just mix in everything together. Now look at the colors. This is a healthy salad that you can make at home. You can snack on this because it is high in protein. Now I wanted some more sweet corn, so I just sprinkle some on the top. Then last thing that I'm going to do is to top my salad with some sesame seeds. And that's it, guys, for my vegetable tuna salad. It's a quick and easy salad to make at home. So you can try out this recipe and let me know what you think. Yes, so that's basically it. So leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video if you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And until next time, big up on yourself.